Okay, working on the Tahoe. This plastic cover here, I don't know if you can see it or not around the radio, it's all scratched up and everything. They had something else mounted in here. But anyway, this is all that was there. It's my traction control off button. So anyway, I picked up a new one on eBay for like 23 bucks. It's got the two 12 volt outlets here. All the wiring was still there, and the screws were there too, so I'm going to put that in. And then this, I looked on online, and you can buy these. They're salvage units out of a junkyard, I guess. They went like $75. I found one for like $50, but it had scratches in it too. So I think what I'm going to do is sand it down, and I'm going to put some of that satin black on it, and I think that'll blend in with the dash. It'll look better than it does now. So, and this just pops off with a bunch of clips. It was real easy to pop off with my little plastic tool. So, okay, those areas right there and right there were very deeply scratched. I thought I could just scuff it and throw some paint on there, but it turns out even after running a very light, fine, I think it was like 600 grit on a DA, I had deep scratches, so I put a little bit of that spot putty on there, let it dry, sanded it. It's very smooth, and I think I'm just going to shoot it. I'm not going to put any primer on. I'm going to try it, see what happens. Well, I just proved that not putting primer on before the top coat was a mistake. I was in a hurry, wanted to get this done, but you can see exactly where I put that filler. So I'm blocking that out. I'll hit it with primer, and then we'll shoot the top coat. Alright, this time around I put some primer sealer on it instead of a sanding primer, and it looks really even, so I think that's going to be it. We'll let that dry for 30 minutes, and we'll put that black satin back on again. Well, I gave it a coat of primer sealer, and now I shot the satin black on. When that dries, I'll take a look. If it looks good, we're done. We'll put her back on. Okay, the paint is just about dry, and you can see it's got that nice satin kind of look to it. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty sharp, and we'll see how it looks in the vehicle probably tomorrow. I want to let it dry a good 24 hours before I put it on. Okay, trim piece is all done. I'm going to attempt to put it on there without wrecking it. Just set it in place, and now I got to push it in, and hopefully I won't wreck it. Maybe I'll push it in. There goes that. There goes that. There goes that. There we go. Okay. There. That looks good. It's not silver. Brushed silver like that is. But it's that satin black. And it's actually ceramic engine paint is what I used. And that's also what I used on the 55 heater core. Covers and stuff like that. So I think that looks pretty decent. Looks better than it did. One more thing done on the old Tahoe taco.